Welcome back to Car Tech Auto. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome Concept is an opulent idea that blends the comfort and utility of a motorhome with the elegance of a Bugatti hypercar. Based on the material at hand, the following is a thorough description: design and luxury, luxurious inside, hand-stitched leather, polished wood, and carbon fiber are among the high-end materials used in the inside, which is supposed to resemble a private jet. It has a fully equipped kitchen, an opulent bathroom, and a living area that doubles as a master bedroom. The cabin is filled with smart technology, such as voice-activated climate control, entertainment systems, and lighting. Iconic external, with its aerodynamic lines and opulent accents. The external design embodies the quintessential Bugatti style, designed with the same level of precision as a Bugatti hypercar for long-distance driving. Technology and features: smart technology. Voice control for entertainment, climate, and lighting is possible with integrated smart technology systems. Sustainability: eco-friendly elements that reduce the influence on the environment, such as solar panels and a cutting-edge battery system. Practicality: creative storage options to make the most of available space. Modern security measures for secure travel. Performance: even though comfort and luxury are the primary priorities, this RV should perform well over extended distances. Additional intriguing features that could be included in the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome, which blends elegance and practicality. Integrated Hypercar Garage. The integrated garage that can hold a Bugatti hypercar is arguably one of the most remarkable features. Owners will be able to travel in style and discover new places with their hypercar. Adaptive suspension system. The motorhome may have a cutting-edge adaptive suspension system that can adapt to the circumstances of the road to provide a comfortable and smooth ride.